We separated these 13 products in 2 groups. So we have 3 key products. That's bioplacenta for anti-aging, that's menopausal, and that's the millennial. And the other products, they are just add-ons. So if we recommend something, we say, okay, you need one of these 3 key products, and then maybe 1, 2, 3 from the others. So that's what we do. And I think that works pretty good because we have to keep it simple, and so it's hard to explain, so you can use these 13 products in this way or in this way.
Right, that's a good point. Sometimes there is confusion with 13 products, for example, in the Elementals line. It's not necessarily designed for you to go buy all 13 and have to use those, you know, day treatment, night treatment kind of thing. Could you do that? Of course you could, but that's a lot of application and unnecessary expense and effort. So that's a good point, separating the bioplacenta, the millennial, and the menopausal, and then add the other things on. One other maybe thing to add on to that is sometimes Elementals was originally designed just for need specific. So you could take a product, and I mean, ideally we would like and recommend our customers to use all Skin Moderne products and blend them together as necessary. But if someone, and I've mentioned this previously, but if someone loved something they'd been using their entire lives, they weren't prepared to give it up, and they were just looking at maybe stepping up the efficacy of that product, it's something that could be added to what they're using as a booster.
Yeah.
So, and need specific, maybe it's added moisture, maybe added antioxidant protection, maybe added anti-aging benefits, or maybe you've got an acne thing and you're afraid of Proactive or one of those kind of brands. You can add something specifically like the AHA, BHA